Hi, I'm back with another malicious sample. This time we'll be checking out a JavaScript file which I recently found. As one of my friends told me that this is acting weird. I mean, this looks weird, but he told me to just take a look at it. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to do a live debug using x32dbg, and most of the analysts don't know how to debug a JavaScript when they tell how can I run a JavaScript or debug a JavaScript. It's not executable, but there is a way using JavaScript, because I will be attaching the JavaScript process and putting the malicious JavaScript as an argument, so that JavaScript will be executed in malicious JavaScript. So in this code, you can see the top part looks like JavaScript, right? But if you just scroll down, this thing doesn't make sense at all, right? Just piece of junk. So my goal is to understand what this is and what's actually going on with this this script. So for this, I will open up x32dbg. I will go to File, select Open, and go to C, Windows C /64, and select JavaScript.exe. Open it, and then go back to Files and select Change Command Line, and put the file path, the malicious JavaScript file, and then select OK. So before I start debugging this, I will set two breakpoints. One is ws232dll and shell32.dll. The reason I put ws232 is because to check whether there are any network connections going on, and shell32.dll is to check whether there is any code execution or any usage of APIs. So this is basically another way of hooking the APIs in a Windows system. So I will. So since I have already put the breakpoints, you just can right click and go to just right click and go to add DL breakpoint and put the DL you want to put, and just click OK so that you can apply a breakpoint. Since my breakpoints are ready, I will go back to CPU and I will run until I hit on entry point. Done. Okay, now I will move forward by clicking on the right arrow again till I hit a breakpoint. Alright, so I have hit on shell32.dll. So this is, I don't think y'all can see, but this is next to this post thing. It says DL breakpoint module shell32.dll. So I have hit on shell32.dll. Now what I can do is I just want to get what kind of code is being executed in the system or using this JavaScript. For that, I want to get into the APIs, which has been all the in imports. I mean, like IAT, the import address table. If you just check that and go and select shell32.dll and search for shell execute exw, right? So I have to put a breakpoint on this to see what's going on or what kind of code is being executed. For that, I will have to right click and put a toggle breakpoint. Right. So before I execute, I have to go back to breakpoints and disable them. Right. I have to disable them, or you can, you can just click on remove. That's fine. Just hit a apply a breakpoint at shell execute exw and go back to CPU and run until you hit shell execute. And you are on entry point and again, alright, you are at shell execute exw. Here you can see that there's kind of a command going on, a command printer, but I'm not able to get the whole command. Nope. So I can see that there's something fishy going on, but it's not complete. So for that, I may have to play with the arguments. So this is the stack, right? Always a stack starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. And if you just see the shell execute exw's the C# code, or the kind of arguments which this DL has, you can see that it has size, HWND, verb, and file. These are the two arguments, which sounds interesting because I just want to get a string out of this specific DL, which is in the malicious JavaScript. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Arguments 3 and 4. So I will start looking at the LP verb, which is third argument. So any stack, the top is 0 and 1, 2, and 3. You just click on that, right click, and go to follow in dump. Click on that, and as you can see, there is indeed the full code, the full executing code, right? So since I just want to get the fourth argument too, I can try this. So in the memory dump, just 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? You can just check the fourth argument. Go and where is that? Alright, so my bad. So you just can't get that. So what you can do is you right click this and how about the fourth argument? You can check that. Following dump. Okay, you got it. And getting this and trying to following dump. I mean the third argument, right? The third argument. You can just select this, go and following dump. For debug in dump, and let's select dump 2. And go back to dump 2. You can see the whole code, right? You can see the whole code which is running and or executing in this through this JavaScript. You can just copy this or else just in the stack, which is in this case we are lucky since it's just in the stack. What you can do is you can select that line, copy, selected lines and open a new one and copy and paste it. So you know that this is starting by executing CMD, and if you just scroll, and you can see that it is trying to connect to a Russian website and trying to download a second stage payload into the victim's machine, which is x32dbg. So I haven't analyzed that yet, but they can clearly see that this is indeed a malicious one, or kind of a probably done by a CoverStrike C2 or what else? Not Empire. No one uses Empire now. It's either CoverStrike or Sliver. So yeah. Yeah. So this is it. So we found the code. We found the executing code of this piece of junk. So that's how you do live debugging of scripting languages, so JavaScript or VBS. So you can use this same technique to analyze VBS scripts to malicious use VBS. So I hope you learned something, and let's meet on another video. Cheers.